Morning. Okay, now I want you all look in front first. All of you look in front first, okay? Okay, we read the phonic book first. All of you look in front. Okay, today we gonna learn A, E, I, O, U, right? Today we going to the next page. Okay, new page. But still remember or not, teacher got teach you this one. What is this? A, this one. E, okay, this one. I, E, okay, I, E, this one. O, this one. U, R. Okay, this one is A, E, I, O, U. Still remember, A is A. E is A. I is E. O is O. U is Ak. Okay, you must remember this one, A, E, I, O, U. Okay, Xuan, can you read this one for me? Can you read this one for me? A is okay, good. This one. Okay. I. O is okay. U is okay. Xuan, can you read this one for me, Xuan? E. A. Okay. Okay. Okay, very good. This one is A, E, I, O, U. Got 5 letters. A, R, E, A, I, E, O, U, R. Okay, you must know this one. A, E, I, O, U. Okay, can you understand? A, E, I, O, U. Okay, now we go to the next page. Okay, today we're going to learn consonants. Okay, we learn the alphabet and the sound. Okay, what letter is this? B. 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 C. K. D. D. F. F. G. G. H. H, J, J, K, K, L, L, M, N, N, P, P, Q, Q, R, R, S, T, T, B, B, W, W, X, X, Y, Y, Z, Z. Okay, This one is the consonants. Okay, how do you pronounce the word? This one is B. We say B for ball, C for cat. This one is B, B. Okay, B, B. This one is C, K. D, D. Okay, this one is D, D, D. F, F. Okay, fish. Okay, F, F. G, G. Okay, G for girl, right? G, G. H, H. Okay, this one is the consonant. You must know how to pronounce this word and this sound. Cannot sound BB, CC, okay. Cannot sound BB, CC, DD, wrong. Okay, you must say B, B. Okay, I want you to read this first for me. Xuan, can you read this one for me? Okay. Seeker. F. Jigger. Okay. Abby, can you read this one for me? B. C. K. G. F. F. G. G. Okay. Then teacher will teach you every day this one. You must know how to pronounce this word and pronounce the sound. B, B, C, K, D, D, F, F, G, 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 G. Okay. H, H, J, J, J. K, K, L, L, M, M, okay, M, N, N, P, P, Q, Q, R, R, S, okay, snake, S for snake, guys. Sound, okay. T, T, okay. T for T sound, T. V, B, W. This one is W, W. X, Y, Z. Okay. You must know how to pronounce this word. B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. This one is mommy B, this one is baby P. You must know. This one is big letter, this one is small letter. Big and small, okay? B sound, you must know how to pronounce B sound. You must know how to pronounce C sound. Okay, today you learn this one first. Okay, next week, next Wednesday, we learn the next one. Okay, we must, every day teacher will teach you. Okay, you must know how to pronounce, how to sound. Okay, B, B. Okay, C, K, D, D. F, F, G, G. Okay, this is the consonants. Okay, this is the consonant. How to tell the words. Okay, you must remember our class. Can understand this one? Can understand our class? Can understand? Okay, this is the consonant. Okay, this is the sound and the word. You must know how to write capital letter and small letter. Okay, can understand? Okay, this one is the sounds. Okay, this one is verbal. A, E, I, O, U. Okay, this one you must remember. A, E, I, O, U. Okay, this one is the sounds. Okay, this one is the consonant. B, B, C, K, D, D, F, G, G. Okay. Now we go to your reader book. Okay, I want you to take out your reader book. This one. Okay, take your reader book. Okay, take your reader book. Okay, turn to page number 4. Okay, today you're going to learn letter C. Okay, see this page, letter C. Okay. Okay, today we're going to learn letter C. Okay, this one is what? C. Okay, C for what? C for cow. C for carrot. Okay, C for cow. C for carrot. Okay, how to spell cow? C-O-W. Cow. Okay, how to spell carrot? C-A-R-R-O-T. Carrot. Okay, this one is how you remember. Okay, before this we see. Okay, what color cow is this? What color? What color cow is this, class? Yes, brown. Very good. Okay, this is cow. Okay, what is the cow sound? Moo, moo. Okay, you got listen or not? Moo, moo sound. Okay, the cow got moo sound. Moo, moo, moo sound. Okay, moo sound. This is cow. Okay, you see the picture first, class. Okay, this one is cow, right? Okay, the cow got what? Cow got tails. Cow got 4 legs. Okay, we count how many legs there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Got 4 legs. Cow got 4 legs. Okay, cow got 4 legs. Okay. Okay, cow got 4 legs. You see here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this one is what? This one is we call what, class? This one is horns. Okay, horns. Okay, this one is the cow horns. Like this. Okay, got big one like this. Okay, horns. Okay, this one is cow. Okay, C for what, class? C for what? C for? C for cow. Very good. Okay, how to spell cow, Abby? Cow. Okay, this one is cow. A brown cow. Okay, this one is brown color cow. Okay, Xuan, can you read this one for me? Xuan, can you read this one for me?
How to spell? C. Make. C. That's it.
Okay, this one is cow. C-O-W. Cow. A brown cow. Okay, a brown cow. Okay, now you see the next picture. What picture is this? This picture you can eat or not? Can eat or not, class? Can you eat this one or not? Yes, we can eat. Okay, animal also can eat. We also can eat. Okay, this one is what? Carrot. Very good. C for carrot. Okay, how to spell carrot? C-A-R-R-O-T. Carrot. Okay, carrot. This one is carrot. Carrot. Okay. Abby, how to spell carrot, Abby? How to spell carrot? Carrots. Okay, Xuan, can you read the word carrot for me?
Just spell. Here. C E A.
Okay. C-A-R-R-O-T. Carrot. Okay. What color carrot is this? What color? What color carrot?
Orange.
Orange, and the leaf is green color. Okay. C for cow. C for carrot. C for cow. C for carrot. Okay. You must know how to spell the word. Okay. Now you see the picture. Okay. Circle all the cows in the picture. Okay. You see where got cow. Okay, where is the cow? You have to circle the cow first. Okay. Okay, now you take your pencil. Okay, you see. Circle all the cows in the picture. Okay. Where you see the cow, you have to circle. Which one is cow? You have to circle. Okay. Okay, circle first, huh? C for cow. C for carrot. Okay, you see the picture? They ask you to circle which. Okay, circle all the cow. Okay, all the cow means you see there got how many cow there? Is this 4? Or is this 2? Or is this 3? You see first, you see and circle first. Only you circle the cow. The cow is got sound, moo sound. Okay, moo, moo sound. Okay, okay. You circle the cow on class. Okay. Okay, after you done, you show to me first. Show to teacher first. Teacher want to see. Okay, C for cow, C for carrots. Okay, very good. Okay, this one is cow or not? Class, this one is cow or not? Circle cow, ma. This one, the brown color is cow or not? Yes, this one is cow. Okay, this one is cow because cow got different color, got many color, got brown, got white, got black and white, different color. Okay, so many color you can see cow. Okay, this one tree is a cow also. Okay, what is this? What animal you see? A small one. This one is a small animal. This one is cat. You can circle the cat or not? Cannot. Okay. They ask you to circle the cows. Okay. You must know cows got many color. Got brown. Got white. Okay. Black. Okay. So this is 3 cows. How many cows? 1, 2, 3. Got 3 cows. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Summer, what animal you see here inside the tree? Outside the tree.
这个是什么
This one is bird. Okay, I see a bird. Bird on the tree. The bird is sit on the tree. Sit like this. Okay. So this one is bird. Okay. Now you must know C for cow. C for carrot. Okay. C for cow. C for carrot. Okay. You can trace like this. C for cow, C for carrot. Okay? C for cow. Okay? I want you to trace C. C. Then this one pink color C. Okay? This one is big letter, small letter. Okay? Just trace. Okay, I want you to take pencil, you just trace on this green color. Trace. This one is small. Trace. Can see? Trace, this one. Okay, you have to trace. Okay, like this class, trace. Okay, done. Okay, very good. Okay, now we want to go to the activity book. Okay. C for what class? C for what? C for okay, C for cow, C for carrot. Okay, now I want you to take out your activity book. Okay, activity book. Please take out activity book. Page number 5. Okay, page number 5. C, letter C. Okay. Okay, you see the first, you see the question first, okay? Teacher read, you listen, okay? Trace the small letter and write the correct capital letter. Then, cross out draw the picture that does not begin with letter C. Okay, you see the picture first, okay? Before that, you have to trace the C, letter C. Okay, over here, can you see one letter or not? C. So you first trace the letter C first. C. Over here, you can see? Got or not C? Okay, you trace first. Okay? Okay, you have to trace like this, C. Okay, after you trace the C, you have to write C over here. C for, okay, you have to trace the C like this. Okay, you write C here. Okay. Okay, after you trace, okay, what picture is this? This one is what? What picture? Apple. Okay, this one is apple. This one is what? Cow. Okay, this one is what? Carrot. This one? Okay, now they ask you to match with the letter. Okay, you have to match the picture with the correct answer. Okay, C. C for what class? C for C for what? C for what? C for apple? No, not C for apple. A for apple. Okay, A for apple. This one C for bear? No, not C for bear. B for bear. This one is letter B. They ask you to trace letter C. You see which picture is related to the letter C. C for carrot, C for cow. Okay, you have to match up. Okay, you match first. Okay, C for okay, you have to trace. Then after that you put underline. Which one is wrong answer? You have to put cross. Cross like this. Big. Because this one is not correct answer. Okay, you have to put cross like this. Okay, you put cross like this because these two is not. Because this one is apple. This one is bear. Okay. Very good, Xuan. Okay. C for cow. C for carrot. C-O-W is cow. C-A-R-R-O-T. Carrot. Okay. Abby done, Abby? Okay, this one you put cross because this one is mayo. This one is wrong answer. You have to put for the letter C. C for what class? C for some more. C for cow. C for cow. C for carrot. C for cow. C for carrot. Very good. Okay. Now, I want you to see the next question. Okay. This one is C. C for carrot. C for cow. Okay. Okay, this one is C for carrot. This one is A for apple. B for bear. This one is C cow. Okay, now I want you to trace and write letter C. Okay, got big letter C, small letter C. Okay, big letter C like this, big letter. This one is small letter C. So now I want you to trace the big letter C. Okay, you trace and you write Okay, the C also you got number, you just got one only. Before this, the letter B got 1 and 2, right? Now, when you writing the C, it's like 1, and then you stop. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay? Can see or not, class? Teacher 1? You see. Okay, C. You write 1. You see over there, they write not 1 only. So when you writing the C, just write 1, one circle only. One, like that. One, C. Okay, C, C. Okay, letter C. Okay, big letter C. Okay, this one also you can trace. Trace C. Okay, this letter. This one also you trace class C. This one the big one. Okay, the black color one. You trace. Okay, then you know how to write the big letter C. Okay. Okay, C for cow, C for carrot. Okay, you trace the big letter C, then you have to go to the small letter. Okay, small letter C is like this. One, this one also same. One small letter C. Okay, you trace first, class. Okay, when you writing the small letter C, you must write in the 2 line. Cannot write in 3 line. You see how teacher write. Okay, this one and C. Okay, C. Okay, in the 2 line, small letter C. C for cow. C for carrot. Okay, you can eat the carrot. Cow got sound. Moo, moo, moo sound. Okay. C for cow. C for carrot. Big letter C. Small letter C. Okay, you must know. A for what? A for apple. A for arrow. B for bee. B for bear. C for cow. Okay, C for cow. Moo, 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 moo. Okay. C for carrot. Okay, carrot. You eat the carrot. Trace the small letter and write the correct capital letter and cross out the picture that does not begin with letter C. Okay. This one you no need to color anything. They just ask you to put cross. 不要 color. Okay. This one you trace. C capital letter. This one big letter, small letter. 这个 mommy C, 这个 baby C. Okay, mommy is big, baby is small, right? You remember like this. This one is mommy C or mommy C is big. Baby C is small, too small. You write baby C. Okay? Okay, after you trace big letters, mommy big letters, baby big small letter, I want you go to the next. This one. C for cow. C-O-W. Cow. Carrot. Okay, you have to trace. They already give you the answer. You just have to trace only. Okay? Teacher also do. Okay. C for cow. C for carrot. C-O-W. Cow. C-A-R-R-O-T. Carrot. C-O-W. Cow. Okay? You have to write like this, Okay, very good, Xuan. Okay, every day you must revision now. What letter is this, class? C for what? A for what? B for what? C for what? Today we learn letter C. C for cow. Okay, cow. Moo, moo, moo. Okay, C for carrot. Okay, we can eat the carrot. Okay. C for cow. C for carrot. Okay. Can understand, Xuan? Okay. C for cow. C for carrot. Okay. C-O-W is cow. Carrot. C-A-R-R-O-T. Carrot. O O W cow. Cow and carrot. C for cow. C for carrot. Okay. Okay, this one you don't need to color anything, just cross out only. Okay, this one is A. A for apple. C for carrot. B for bear. C for cow. Okay, must remember, Abby done, Abby? Okay, we wait for your friend, Okay. Okay, C for cow, C for carrot. Okay, this one cow. Cow got the sound moo moo moo. Okay, moo moo moo. Carrot. Okay, we can eat the carrot. Okay, done. Done, class. Abby, done, Abby. Can you show your book to teacher? Okay, be very good. C for cow, C for carrot. Okay? C for cow, C for carrot. Okay? Okay, this one you don't do anything, just cross on only. Don't want color or anything, okay? Okay, now I want you to take out your writing book. F or not, class? F? No. F? No, no. F? F, okay. Okay. Then we open. What page today is going? Is this A? Is this A? Is this B? Now we're going to C. Yeah, we're going to letter C. C for what? C for cow. C for? Yes, C for cow. Moo, moo, moo. This one is C for carrot. Okay, we eat the carrot. Okay, now you see this question. You have to trace the letter C. This one is mommy. Okay, this one is mommy C. This one is baby C. Okay, I want you have to trace the letter C. Mommy C and baby C. C for cow, C for carrot. Okay. Okay. We do together. Okay. Teacher also do with you. We do together. Okay. When you write, you spell the words. C O W cow. C A R R O T carrot. Okay, mommy C. 这个 mommy C. 这个 baby C is too small, too small. 这个 mommy C is big. Baby C is small. Okay? Shen, are you okay? Are you okay? Okay, I want you trace first, Okay. Okay, trace, teacher wait for you, okay? C for cow, C for carrot, okay? Okay, after you trace big letter C, small letter C, you go to this one. You have to follow trace. Okay, C for cow, C for carrot. Okay, can class? Okay, you see how teacher writes C. Letter, big letter, small letter. Mommy C, baby C. Okay. After that, you go to this with these words. After that, you finish, you color. Okay? You finish this one first, okay? Then only you color these two pictures. Don't color first, okay? You draw it, then only you color. C for cow. C O W cow. Okay. Okay, please write properly class. You see how teacher write, Okay, you trace. You must this one. This one is don't have ready, so you have to write properly. C is big letter. O is small letter. W is small letter. Mommy C is small big letter. This two is baby. O and W is baby, so you write small letter. C is big letter. Okay, mommy. 这个 is C is mommy. Okay, C for cow. Okay, you here got 3 lines, right? So when you write it in the 3 lines, C must be start from the this line, okay, first line. Okay, then you go down one, okay. Okay, this C only you write big letter. This carrot you write small letter. Cow only you write big letter C. Cow big letter. Carrot only all you write small letter. Okay, you see this one is big letter C. This one is small letter. Capital letter C, small letter C. Okay, you must know the difference. Okay, cannot big, this one also big, no. Okay, one letter is big, one letter is small. One letter is mommy, one letter is baby. Like that. Okay, can see Okay, after that we read the cards. Okay, we read the cards. After you finish, you color. Okay. Okay, you first you trace ready, then you color the picture. Okay, you color. What color cow? Brown. What color you want color? Brown. You want color brown. Okay, you can color cow is brown color. So you can take the brown color. Okay, you take the brown color. You color the cow. Okay. You must trace properly, okay? C-O-W, cow. Carrot. Okay? Okay. Okay. Okay, you have to color like this. You see brown. This one is brown. This one is the black. The tail is black. Black or white. Okay. Okay, you have to write like this. Then you color the cow. Cow is brown. Okay, brown color. Cow. COW. Okay, you have to trace. You have to trace. Then you write carrot also. You have to spell the words. CARROT. Carrot. Cow. 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 Okay. Color the carrot. Okay, all of you color like this. See, okay, cow and carrot. Okay. This one is orange color, the leaf is green color, the cow is brown, the tail is black. Okay, black or brown. Okay, also can. Yes, Xuan can color. Okay, like this. Okay, brown color. Okay, brown and black. Okay. Yes. Yes, Xuan, cannot hear one.
Teacher, can use this?
Can. That color also can. Okay. Brown also can. That color also can. Okay. You can color what color you like, but cannot color pink, purple, because the cow is brown, white color. Like that, you cannot color yellow, red, blue, cannot. Okay. Cow is brown. Okay, dark brown, light brown color. Okay. The carrot also, carrot also you color orange and the leaf is green color. Carrot also you cannot color others. Cannot color pink, cannot color blue, cannot color brown, cannot. Okay, the carrot is orange and the leaf is green color. Okay. You must color like this, Okay.
Spell the C. Now we are read ABC. Okay.
W. Cow.
Cow.
O. Okay, cow and carrot. Very good, Xuan. carrot. Okay. Okay, the cow got sound now moo moo moo. Okay, moo moo. Okay, the carrot. Okay, we can eat the carrot. Okay, animal also can eat the carrot. We also can eat the carrot. Okay, cow can eat the carrot or not?
Pixie, right? Pixie là từ số chữ ố. Teacher see can write ố not liu. The third you show teacher. Okay. This one, how to read? Cow. This one? Cow. Say right. Small C. C. A. A. R. R how to write? Tươi the R. O. Để cái show teacher.
Okay, cow, cow. This one is cow got sound. Moo 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 sound. This one carrot. Cow can eat carrot or not? Cow can eat carrot? No, cow eat the grass. Cow eat the grass. You see, cow eat the grass. Rabbit only eat the carrot. Okay, rabbit only eat the carrot. Cow not eat the carrot. Okay. A brown cow. A carrot. This one is a brown cow. A carrot. Okay. That day we learn B. B for B. B for bear. B for bear. A is for what? A for apple. A for very good. Okay. Okay. Fine. Okay. This one is what class? Apple. Arrow. B. Very good. Very good. Okay. Cow. Very good. Very good. Okay, Abby, read for me, Abby. Abby, this one is what, Abby? Okay, good. Okay, good. Okay. Okay, good. Cow, very good. Cow. Carrot. Okay. This one is apple. Okay. Apple. Arrow. B. Okay. B. B. Zzz, B. B. This one is bear. Bear. B for bear. Okay. B. B for bear. Okay, next. C for what? C for cow. Cow is what sound? Moo, moo, moo. Okay, moo. Okay, moo sound. Moo, moo sound. Okay. This one is what? Carrot. Okay, we eat the carrot. Okay. C for cow. C for carrot. Okay, how to spell the word cow? Abby, read for me, Abby. C. Cow. Okay, this one, Abby. Okay, Xuan, can you read this one for me? Xuan. Now to spell the word cow. O. Cow. Xuan, read properly. C. Xuan, C. O. W. Okay, this one, Xuan. This one. You read this one first. This one you read for me first. O. Okay, C for cow, C for carrot. Okay, today we learn letter C. C for cow, C for carrot. Okay, now y'all can keep your book. Okay, now y'all can keep your book first. Okay, can keep your book first. Thank you, class.